Hi, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss the looping statements. Looping statements are derived into while statement, do while statement, for statement. First one is the while statement. The while is an entry control loop statement. The test condition is evaluated, and if the condition is true, then the body of the loop is executed. After the execution of the body, the test condition is once again evaluated, and if it is true, the body is executed once again. This process of repeated execution of the body continues until the test condition finally becomes false, and the control is transformed out the loop on exit. The program continues with the statement immediately after the body of the loop. Next, syntax of the while loop. Syntax of the while loop. Initialization, while, test condition, open and closed braces, body of the loop ends with semicolon. Okay, take an example. Suppose initialize the value. Initialize the value m equal to 1. M equal to 1. While condition m less than or equal to 20. M less than or equal to 20. Open and closed braces. System dot out dot println m. M equal to m plus 1. Suppose take an example. M equal to 1. Condition 1 less than or equal to 20. Condition will be satisfied entering into the loop. M equal to 1 plus 1, 2. M value is 2. Again, you have to check the condition. M less than or equal to 20. You have to substitute the place m equal to 2. 2 less than or equal to 20. Condition will be satisfied entering into the loop. Again, we have to check. Take the m equal to 21. 21 less than or equal to 20. 21 less than or equal to 20. Condition will be not satisfied. While loop is not executed. Okay, go for the out of the loop. This is nothing but a while loop example. Next, flowchart of the while loop. First of all, initialize the value. Next, condition. Test the condition. Condition is true. Execute the body. Once again, to check the condition. Condition will be true. Execute the body of the loop. Once again, you have to check the condition. Condition will be true. We have to execute the body of the loop. Next, we have to check the condition once again. Condition will be false. Go to the end of the loop. Okay, this is about the flowchart of while loop. Okay, next, we have to discuss about the print value from 1 to 4 using while loop. Okay, first class while, class name while, open braces, public static void main string args, open braces, int I equal to 1, while I less than or equal to 5, system dot out dot println I plus plus. Okay, we have to check the value. I equal to 1. Test the condition. 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition will be satisfied. Condition will be satisfied. Enter into the loop. Print the I value. Next, I plus plus. High value should be increment. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. We have to substitute the value 2. 2 less than or equal to 5. Condition will be satisfied. Enter into the loop. Print the value I value. Once again increment the I value. 3 less than or equal 5. Condition is true. Enter into the loop. Okay. Next. N less than or 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition will be true to enter into the loop. Once again, I equal to 6. 6 less than or equal to 5. Condition will be false. Enter into the out of the loop. Okay. This is nothing but a while loop example. Next one is the do while loop. Okay. Do while loop. Here the do while loop, the body of the loop is executed before the test is performed. Such situations can be held with the help of the do statement. Suppose syntax of the do while loop. Do open and close braces, body of the loop, while test the condition ends with semicolon. Test the condition ends with semicolon. Next. Example. M equal to 1. Initialize the value. Do statement. Body of the loop. System dot out dot println M. M equal to M plus 1. Open closed braces while M equal to 20. Okay. Ends with semicolon. Suppose M equal to 1. 1 equal to 20. Condition will be true. Enter into the body of the loop. You have to print the M value. Take an example. M equal to 21. 21 equal to 20. Condition will be false. You have to execute the outside of the loop. Here, the body of the loop is first executed at the end of the loop. The text condition is while statement is evaluated. If the condition is true, the process continues to loop once again as long as condition is true. When the condition becomes false, loop will be terminated and the control goes to statement that appears immediately after the while statement. Next one is the flowchart of do while loop. Flowchart of do while loop. First of all, enter into the statements inside the loop. Next, we have to check the condition, either true or false. Condition will be true. We have to once again go to the statements inside the loop, test the condition. Condition will be true, and execute the statements inside the loop. Condition will be false. Outside do while loop will be executed. Next, small example about the do while loop. Suppose class name, class do while 1, open braces, public static void main string args, open braces, int, initialize the value, int I equal to 1, int sum equal to 0, do statement, do open and close braces, sum equal to sum plus I plus plus, while I less than or equal to 10. System dot out dot println the sum of the 1 to 10 numbers. You have to print the 1 to 10 numbers. Suppose I equal to 1. I equal to 1. To test the condition, 1 less than or equal to 10. Condition will be true. Execute the do statement. Sum equal to 0 plus 1, 1. I plus plus. I value should be increment. Okay, I plus plus I value should be increment. 2 less than or equal to 10. Condition will be true. Once again execute the do statement. Okay, next. Suppose I equal to 11, while 11 less than or equal to 10, condition will be false. Outside of the do while loop statement will be executed. This is about the do while loop program. Okay, next. Output. The sum of 1 to 10 numbers is 55. Next one is the for loop. The generic form of the for loop is for initialization, test condition, increment or decrement, open and closed braces, body of the for loop. Next, for example, for I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 20, I plus plus, open and closed braces, system dot out dot println I. You have to print the I value. Okay. Next, execution process for the first statement. Initialization of the control variables is done first using the assignment statement. The value of the control variables is tested using the test condition. If the test condition is true, the body of the loop is executed. The body of the loop is executed. Otherwise, the loop is terminated and the execution continues with the statement that immediately follows the loop. When the body of the loop is executed, the control is transformed back to the first statement after executing the last statement in the loop. This process continues till the value of the control variable fails to satisfy the test condition. Next, flowchart of the for loop. Start, initialization, condition, code inside loop, update counter, and stop. Okay. First of all, initialize the value. Test the condition. Condition is true. Code inside the loop will be executed. Next, update counter. Update counter means either increment or decrement the value. Okay, either increment or decrement the value to satisfy the condition. Okay, enter into the code inside the loop. Once again, update counter should be used and test the condition. Condition will be true. We have to enter into the code inside the loop. Once again, if you can use the update counter and test the condition, condition will be false. Go to the outside of the loop. Next, small example about for loop. Class for 1, open braces, public static void main string args, open braces, int I. For I equal 0, I less than 3, I plus plus, system dot out dot println, example for loop, closed braces, closed braces, closed braces. First of all, int I equal to 1. We have to substitute the I value. I equal to 1, 1 less than or equal to 3, 1 plus plus, I value should be increased. Okay, enter into the loop. Example of for loop will be printed. Next, once again, we have to check the condition. I equal to 2 less than or equal to 3. Okay, condition will be satisfied. Enter into the loop. Example for loop will be printed. Next, I equal to 3. 3 less than or equal to 3. Sorry, 3 less than equal to 3. Condition will be satisfied. example for loop will be printed. Output of the for loop, example for loop, example for the for loop, example for the for loop, 3 times will be displayed.